What happens if something breaks or gets damaged during a cleaning session? We try our best to avoid accidents and breakage, so we must be extra careful. Our policy on breakage and damage is designed to protect both our customers and our staff. Firstly, we need to talk about what we call booby traps. These are potential accidents waiting to happen. It might be a picture not hung securely, a top-heavy item with an unstable base, or wobbly objects that are prone to tipping. We do our utmost to avoid these traps, but they can sometimes lead to breakage. That's why we always dust with two hands, one to clean and one to secure the item. Each incident that occurs is reviewed on a case-by-case basis. We try to avoid taking responsibility for these booby traps. And to help us do so, we ask our customers to remove unstable breakables to a place we do not need to clean. This could be inside curios, china cabinets, or clear wet bar shelves. If a customer has expensive figurines or glassware, we should avoid cleaning those items, to avoid any risk. We instruct all our cleaners to be extra careful when touching, holding, and cleaning customer items. But accidents can happen. If a cleaner accidentally damages something, our policy is to cover half the cost of repair or replacement. The cleaner is responsible for the other half. Before replacement or reimbursement is authorized, the value of the damage must be verified. We ask all cleaners to save the broken item for company inspection. Any damage or breakage must be reported to the RHR team leader immediately. So in summary, our policy on breakage and damage is designed to ensure responsible handling of any accidents. We do our best to prevent them, but when they do happen, we have a clear, fair process in place to resolve the situation. It's all part of our commitment to providing the best possible service to our customers and ensuring their belongings are treated with the utmost respect and care.